Today we are going to learn about how do you do hope nope no for money. How many of you want to attract more money in your life? You want to, right? Then let's clear all the negative energy that we have towards money. Because of this negative energy inside us, we are not able to vibrate at the right frequency. And as a result of that, we are not able to attract money. I want you to promise me something, that this particular session, you will not only go through with me right now, but when you're doing it, do it properly. Sit straight, hands on your heart. And when I say something, I want you to repeat it loudly. And then my request is continue doing it for the next few days and then share the results with me. How many of you promise that? Awesome. So let's get ready. Hands on your heart. I'm going to get the music on. Here we go. This is some beautiful healing music of very different level of frequency. I hope you're able to hear the music. Perfect. Hands on your heart. Close your eyes. Come on. And now repeat exactly what I'm saying. Here we go. I take 100% responsibility for anything that's happening in my financial life. I take 100% responsibility for making and losing money both. I take 100% responsibility for achieving goals and for failing my financial goals both. I take 100% responsibility because whatever is happening in my financial life is my creation. It is my attraction. I am sorry for having a bad relationship with money. I am sorry for feeling that making money is difficult, that making money is wrong. I am sorry for thinking small about money. I am sorry for thinking small about myself while making money. Please forgive me, dear universe, for thinking bad about those people who are money-minded. Please forgive me for feeling bad about being money-minded myself. Please forgive me, dear money, for not focusing on you and feeling bad when someone calls me money-minded. Please forgive me for thinking small. Please forgive me for thinking that I am small. Please forgive me for not letting myself think big. Thank you, dear money, for being in my life. Thank you, dear money, for everything that you have done for me already. Thank you, dear money, for coming in my life in abundance. Thank you, dear money, for making me a millionaire. Thank you, dear money, for making people around me millionaires, because they deserve it as much as I deserve it. Because at the energy level, we are all one. Thank you, dear money, for making those people rich who are not able to pay me back. Thank you for making them so rich that they're easily able to share that money with me. Thank you for making me so rich that I am able to share money with people easily. Thank you, dear money, for making me so big that making money now is very easy for me. Today, I declare, dear money, I love you. I have a love relationship with you now. I love you the way you come to me. I love you when you come to me in small forms and medium forms and big forms, all. I love small money and big money, all. I love it when money comes to me from this direction, that direction, that direction, from all directions. I love you, dear money. That is why I'm so careful with you and I manage you because I value you. I love you, dear money, for abundantly making other people rich. The more I am happy for them, the more we all are rich. So I love you, dear money, for even going away from me sometimes. Because sometimes you are making other people rich through me. Today, right now, all the people in my past who have hurt me directly or indirectly and hurt me financially, today, I take 100% responsibility for attracting them in my life. Please forgive me for doing whatever I have done to create that frequency in my life. Thank you to all of you for coming and teaching me a lesson about money. I know I needed that lesson. Today, I choose to forgive all those people in my past who cheated me or did not support me in making money. I choose to say, I love you. Because whether the money comes to you through me or whether the money comes to me through you, both is fine. Because there is unlimited money for all of us. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. All right. How was that Ho'oponopono experience? Amazing, right? Tell me in the comment section because I'm waiting to read your comments of your experience today. Okay. Now below this video, I've given you two links. First link is to join one more lesson free on daily magic practice. If you want to be having that experience, you want to know what in detail is daily magic practice, use that link. But if you're clear that Mitesh, I am 100% sure I want to experience this with you every day. If you want to be part of it, the second link is to directly join the Ho'oponopono practice with me, the affirmations practice with me, which we call daily magic practice. Click on that link, make that small payment, which is only at the cost of 2 vada pavs every day. You'll be part of daily magic practice today onwards. And at 9 p.m., I will see you live and we'll all practice together and experience this kind of magic every day and make sure that you achieve all your career goals this month. Ready? So let's begin. Video link is below this video. And hey, you want to see the next video of Ho'oponopono or affirmations that I release for you? It's going to be an amazing surprise. If you want to go through that surprise video, quickly click on the subscribe button and then the bell icon, because only then you will get notification for the next video. See you soon. Take care.